let's have a look at this vector question. We're given the fact that OP, this line down here, is vector A, and PG, this line here, is vector B. Do note it's O to P and P to G are the vectors. And we're told that point M here is midway between O and G. And we're asked in part A to express OM in terms of A and B. Well, the first thing to do is to express OG in terms of A and B. Now, to get from O to G, well, we can go along vector A, and then we can go along vector B. So this is actually quite simple, because all the arrows are pointing in the right direction, and we want to go from O to G. So I can simply say that OG, the vector O to G, is equal to A plus B. So OM is half of our total journey from O to G. So this is half of vector A plus vector B. And that's your answer. So that was part A. Now let's have a look at part B. And we're asked to do the journey from P to M, the red line here. Okay, we're starting here. We go the wrong way along vector A to get back to O. So this is negative A, negative vector A. Now we're at O. Now we travel along our green vector that we worked out earlier, which is OM. So I add plus a half vector A plus vector B. Now, just like in algebra, the A vectors will simplify, but they won't mix with the B vectors. So let me split that bracket apart, and then we can simplify. So this is plus a half A plus a half B. Well, the A's will combine, so this will be negative a half A plus a half B. And that's the answer. You could take the factor out and reinstate the bracket, and this will simply be B minus A. And I think you'd probably say that was the easiest way of expressing the answer. There we are.